I think this is like the fact that nobody, it kind of blows everyone's mind is that Leo Fender wasn't even a guitar player.
Right. That's the shocking thing. Like he was great at doing amplifiers. He was great at doing radios. Guy could not play music. Couldn't play an instrument at all. He tried saxophone. He tried piano. It just didn't take with him. It wasn't how his mind worked or whatever. But he loved guitar. That's what's so funny too. He really loved it.
Oh, cool. And he would literally just talk to musicians. They would tell him what they wanted, and he would work on it and try to get it for them. So like, it worked in that sense where he had the pulse on what musicians wanted, so he could build it.
Exactly. Like he would build something like in his workshop and he would drag it off the table and take it to like a honky tonk or like a bar that night and bring it up to some musician and be like, "Hey man, try this, like plug this in, see what you think about it." And they'd be like, "Oh, damn, that's a good one, Leo," and like one thing would lead to another and people started buying his amplifiers. There was this huge country music scene in Los Angeles at the time, and the country music guys wanted to be louder, they wanted to be flashier, and they saw this Fender stuff and they were like, "Damn, that's pretty cool, and it sounds really loud and sounds good." So they adopted it.
Mm-hmm. And then so this is happening in the 40s time frame.
Yeah. So Leo Fender started his company in 1946.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you. You said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.